Boom! What's up, guys? Tal is here, and today, like I promised to you guys yesterday, I'm gonna teach you guys how to ethically spy your competitors' ads and funnels and offers and things like that. So, in this specific video, I'm only going to teach you guys how to spy on the ads, and then I'm going to make another video for the funnels, and then for the offers, and so on and so forth, because I'm going to try to make this video very short, very concise, going straight to the point, because uh, even though this is like the same subject, it's all like how to spy the competition and see what your competitors are doing so you can be different from them and, you know, benefit from what they've already done, from everything that they have already created. So I'm gonna split this video in four parts. And if I think about something else, I'll just make another video. But let's go straight ahead. First, let me tell you guys a story. Basically, what I used to do back in the days was I would just think about something. Let's say, oh, I think maybe selling, I don't know. Let me see something here. Oh, selling like my wallet right here. So I have this wallet. You guys see? It's a pretty good wallet. So I would think about like, oh, maybe I should sell wallets. And then I would have like this idea that I would think that it was going to sell. I would create everything based on the idea that I had. I would create the website, the store, and I would have everything done. And then I would launch, and it would fail miserably. I did that with so many things. I tried affiliate marketing on the beginning, like just email marketing with Facebook ads. And I would think, yeah, you know what? I should sell newsletters because back in the days, people used to sell newsletters. So I started to do that and I failed doing that. And then I would have an idea of like, oh, maybe I should create my own product. And then I would create a product and try to launch that product and I would fail. And I failed, guys, believe me when I tell you that. I failed so many times. I don't even remember how many times I failed. I failed in e-commerce. I failed in affiliate marketing. I failed creating my own product. I failed uh, in MLM. I failed in all sorts of things that you guys can imagine. So I know what it's like to fail, to feel like a failure, to simply, I don't know, just feel awful and see like people making fun of you and your own like family making fun of you. They don't actually believe that you can make it because you're always jumping around from one thing to the next thing. And I was always trying to reinvent the wheel until I had this epiphany, which was somebody told me and taught me how to actually have a plan that it's almost certain to work. And today, that's what we're going to learn this video. I'm going to teach you guys how to spy on your competition, because if they're already doing that and they have already proven that their model works, so why are you trying to reinvent something when you could just like see what's working, model them, put tweak a little things with like your own opinion and your own personality here and there and make it work for you, right? So first thing is, in this specific video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find ads, the exact ads that your competitors might be using. So let's say um, you're in, let's see, you're selling survival products. So as you guys can see, I haven't done that previously. So survival products, right? So I would Google that first, and I would take a look at the number. I'd say like the first page. I would take a look at all the first page websites. So I would come here, see the first website, open up in a new tab. I would open up like the second one in a new tab. Not Amazon, because Amazon is in e-commerce already. So I would open like the websites in new tabs. So like this one, for example. Then I would come here, right? See, look for a Facebook page to see if they have like a Facebook page. Oh, see right here, down here, they have a Facebook page right here. So I would open that in a new link, in a new tab. Sorry. Oh, it appears like they don't have a Facebook page. So let's see the other one that we opened up. Let's see if they have one. Uh, right here. See, I would. Sometimes you can find like the social media links down, all the way down to the bottom. Sometimes they're all the way on the top here. You have to do a little research. So I would come here, open the Facebook page that they have in a new tab, right? Take a look at their Facebook page, like you can see right here. Nice. It looks like a pretty active page to me. They have a lot of content. They have almost oh yeah, 11,000 likes. So what do you do after you found their Facebook pages? You come on the right hand side here. You keep scrolling, and you're gonna see something called the page transparency, right? Then what do? You click on the see more, and you're gonna scroll down. And this page, for example, they're not running ads, as you can see right here. So what do I do? Go to the next one. Then you have this page right here, the Stealth Angel Outdoor and Urban Survival. Let's see if they have social media, Facebook here, profile. Let's go to the bottom. Oh, right here. Open that in a new tab. Go to their Facebook page. That's a pretty nice page, huh? Go to the page transparency right here. Then you would click on see more, and again go all the way to the ads from this page, and see, this page is currently running ads. So what do? You click on the go to ad library, and you're going to be able to see all the ads that this specific page is running. So you're going to come down here. See, you're going to be able to see every single. You click on the one that you like. Let's say this one, this first one. Oh, sorry guys. Let's come back. You click on see ad detail here, and then you're gonna be able to see the exact ad that they are running. Guys, you have no idea. This is absolutely gold. This tactic right here saves you a lot of money and time by trying to figure out things yourself. So you would, let's say you were in the survival niche, you would be able to see every single ad that this particular company is running, and sometimes they've been running ads for like years on. So you can see here the type of ad that they're running, right? So you would be able to come here, see the specific words, the specific products, price, what they're saying, the hooks that they're using, the stories that they're using, and things like that, right? So if you go back, for example, you see like they've been running a lot of ads for this particular product. See, they've been running lots and lots and lots of ads for this particular product. Now they have a different one here for this product. Let's see, and you can see price points. You can see what they're using, pictures. You can see variables and things like that. So you can basically take a look at every single thing that they're selling. And let's say you're in the same niche, in this on the survival niche. So all you would have to do is go to Facebook, see the ads that they're running, and model the ads. Please, guys, please keep in mind, I'm not telling you to copy. Come here and copy their ad. No, you should just come here, take a look at what it's working for them, right? The way that they're phrasing their ads, the way they're like the pictures are, and things like that, and come up with your own ideas, right? Oh, they have this product too, so you would come up here, take a look again and of what they're saying, see pretty much every single ad that they have. It's in this format, so you would create something similar, different picture with your own product, your own logo. Maybe if you're selling, like, this is seems like a lighter. Yeah, this is one of those plasma lighters that supposedly work underwater. They're like waterproof. They have like all sorts of goodies from them. So you'd come up here, take a look, and create something similar, which is it's pretty much like cutting all the learning curve that you would have, and like thousands of dollars that you would have to maybe waste to come up with something similar to that. Let's do a different one. So let's say you're not in the let me close those tabs here. One sec, guys. Let me close this too. Now let's Google something else. Let's say you're in the, I don't know, dog niche. So train dog training. So that, let's say you have a product about training your dog, right? So what do I do? Same thing. Go to Google, search for dog training, right? Then you come here. You would look at the websites again. Open them in a new tab, right? Open them up. I would come here, try to find um, the oh, the Facebook profile of this person right here. Facebook, they have a group right here. So with it doesn't work with groups, guys. So I would go to the next one because I couldn't find the Facebook profile. This one is right here. I would open that up, take a look at their Facebook page. Ooh, they have a lots of following right here. Almost actually they have 4 million followers. I would come down here, go to the page transparency, see if they're running ads. This page is currently running ads. It says it right here. I would go to the ad library, and again I would be able to see every single ad that they're running. And here are the ads that they're running. You can see every single ad. And let's say you like this one, for example. You click on see ad details, and you would be able to see every single detail of that specific ad. So guys, that's it for the ads part. That's one of the ways. um, So this is absolutely gold. Like I told you, if you like this video, if you like this tactic, please subscribe to the channel and leave the comment below, letting me know what you want to learn next, or if this tip was helpful or not. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.